In this video, we'll be sharing 7 healthy breakfasts you can make in 5 minutes. These quick and nutritious recipes make it easy to enjoy a healthy breakfast, even on the busiest mornings. With staples like yogurt, whole wheat bread, and frozen fruit on hand, you can effortlessly prepare delicious toasts, parfaits, or refreshing smoothies. Whether you're craving something simple, like a peanut butter banana sandwich, or a more indulgent option, like avocado toast with creamy mozzarella, there's a recipe to suit your taste. Dishes like Avocado-Egg Toast and the Anti-Inflammatory Cherry-Spinach smoothie will energize you and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Number 1. Spinach, peanut butter, and banana smoothie. Peanut butter and banana is a timeless combination, made even more delicious with the addition of tangy, probiotic-rich kefir. This peanut butter banana smoothie also boosts your veggie intake by incorporating a mild-flavored spinach blend, making it a tasty and nutritious way to start your day. Ingredients: 1 cup plain kefir, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup spinach, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Directions: Step 1. Add kefir, peanut butter, spinach, banana, and honey if using to a blender. Blend until smooth. Number 2. Avocado-Egg Toast. Give it a try and we're sure you'll agree. Adding an egg on top of avocado toast makes for a nearly perfect breakfast. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 slice whole wheat bread toasted, 1 large egg fried, 1 teaspoon sriracha, optional, 1 tablespoon scallion, sliced, optional. Directions: Step 1. You can toast your bread in the toaster or use a small skillet, which you can also use for frying your egg. Toasting your bread before prepping the avocado gives it time to cool and firm up before topping. Step 2. Remove the peel from the avocado and add the avocado flesh to the bowl along with all of the seasonings. A regular fork works well for mashing and mixing, and you can use it again later to help scoop and spread the mixture on the toast. Combine avocado, pepper, and garlic powder in a small bowl and gently mash. Step 3. Add a bit of non-stick cooking spray or extra virgin olive oil to a small non-stick pan. Once the pan is hot, crack the egg and add it to the skillet. Cook, undisturbed, until the whites are set and the edges are crispy, about 3 minutes. Once it's ready, take the skillet off the heat and get ready to assemble everything. Step 4. Scrape the avocado mash onto the cooled toast, then top with the fried egg. Garnish with the sriracha and scallion if desired. Number 3. White bean and avocado toast. Mashed avocado and white beans create a creamy, fiber-rich topping that's the perfect match for a crispy slice of toast. It's an ideal option for a quick breakfast or snack. Ingredients: 1 slice whole wheat bread toasted, 1/4 avocado mashed, 1/2 cup canned white beans rinsed and drained, kosher salt to taste, ground pepper to taste, 1 pinch crushed red pepper. Directions: Top toast with mashed avocado and white beans. Season with a pinch each of salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. Number 4. Avocado toast with burrata. Burrata, which is a cream-filled fresh mozzarella cheese, takes this avocado toast recipe to the next level for a weekday-friendly breakfast. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain toast, 3/4 of an inch thick. Half a large, ripe avocado, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/8 teaspoon ground pepper. 1½ ounces of burrata or fresh mozzarella cheese. 1 teaspoon finely sliced fresh basil. 1 teaspoon minced fresh chives. And a pinch of Aleppo pepper. Directions: Top the toast with avocado. Drizzle with lemon juice and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Then top with burrata or mozzarella, basil, chives, and Aleppo pepper. Number 5. Anti-Inflammatory Cherry-Spinach smoothie. This delicious smoothie does more than satisfy your taste buds. It helps boost your daily intake of anti-inflammatory foods. The creamy, gut-friendly kefir forms the base, while cherries work to lower the inflammatory marker, C-reactive protein. Heart-healthy fats from avocado, almond butter, and chia seeds provide even more anti-inflammatory benefits. Spinach adds antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals, and fresh ginger gives a zing along with gingerol, a compound that preliminary studies suggest could improve heart disease-related inflammatory markers when consumed daily. Ingredients: 1 cup plain low-fat kefir, 1 cup frozen cherries, half a cup baby spinach leaves, 1/4 cup mashed ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon salted almond butter, 1/2 inch piece peeled ginger, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, plus more for garnish. Directions. Place kefir in a blender. Add cherries, spinach, avocado, almond butter, ginger, and chia seeds. Puree until smooth. Pour into a glass, garnish with more chia seeds if desired. Number 5. Coconut Blueberry Smoothie. Give your blueberry smoothie a tropical twist with the rich, creamy flavors of coconut milk and coconut cream. Freshly squeezed orange juice adds a burst of bright flavor, but if you're short on time, bottled juice will work just as well. Ingredients. 1/4 cup light coconut milk, 1/4 cup orange juice, 2 tablespoons coconut cream, 1 cup frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, optional. Directions. Add coconut milk, orange juice, coconut cream, blueberries, and maple syrup, if using, to a blender. Blend until smooth. Number 7. Peanut Butter Banana Cinnamon Toast. This satisfying peanut butter banana toast gets a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra flavor boost. Ingredients. 1 slice whole wheat bread toasted, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 small banana, sliced, cinnamon to taste. Directions. Spread toast with peanut butter and top with banana slices. Sprinkle with cinnamon to taste. Thanks for watching. We hope these 7 healthy breakfast ideas help you start your day right, no matter how busy you are. If you tried any of these recipes, let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more quick and healthy tips. See you next time.